classes.
Hello students, today we will discuss a topic from the first chapter of class 11th mathematics, which is sets, and the topic is sets and their representations. So let's start. Set. As definition says, a set is a well defined collection of objects. Now here we have two important words. The first one is collection and another is well defined. Collection means group of identical things. For example, collection of watches, collection of movies, collection of songs. Another word is well defined. What is the meaning of well defined? Well defined means we can definitely decide whether a given particular object will belong to given collection or not. For example, if I say the collection of players of Indian cricket team, now this collection is well defined because we can easily determine whether the player will come in this collection or not. But if I say the best 5 players of Indian cricket team, now here we will have a problem to determine whether which player is best or which is not. So this collection is not well defined collection. So therefore, the collection of player of Indian cricket team, this collection will become a set. But the collection of 5 best player of Indian cricket team will not become a set. So from here we can say every set is a collection. This is the important note. Every set is a collection, but every collection is not a set. Only that collection is set which is well defined. So this is collection and set. This is the basic difference between collection and set. Now we will discuss some terms related to set. For example, if I say set of vowels in an English alphabet, I will write A is equal to A E I O U. Now these all are known by the name elements, objects or members, and in general we denote a set by using capital letter. So this is name of set. This is how we represent or we denote a set. One more important thing is, if I want to say that A is in this set A or E is in this set A, so I will write in the language of set that A belongs to A. This is a Greek symbol. Its name is epsilon, and the phrase which is we use here, that is belongs to. So we read it A belongs to A. Similarly, we can say I belongs to A or E belongs to A. Now if I want to say that B is not in the given set A, so how I will say it? I will say B does not belongs to A, and I will write B does not belongs to set A, or simply A. B does not belongs to A. Now move on to the next thing, which is representation of sets. Basically we have two forms for representation. First one is roster or tabular form, and the second is set builder form. Roster or tabular form. While writing set in the roster or tabular form, we just list all the elements and enclose with the braces and just put a comma between them to separate them. For example, set of vowels in English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. This is how I write the given set in the roster form. we always enclose all the elements within the braces and separate them by comma. Suppose I want to write set of natural number in the roster form, so I will write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is how we write set in the roster or tabular form. The another form is set builder form. Let us suppose I want to write set of vowels in English alphabet in set builder form. So, I will write A is equal to the set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. The important thing is, while writing set in the set builder form, we always list that common property which is possessed by each and every element. For example, here this was the representation of the given set in the roster form. Now, here in the set builder form, we just list that common property which is possessed by each and every element of the given set. What is that common property? That each and every element of this set is a vowel of English alphabet. So, this is how we represent. Here two important things are, in the while writing set in the set builder form, these two braces stand for the set of all and these symbol of column stand for such that. So, now how we will write it? The set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. So, this is the representation. So, for this video, this is all. Thank you so much.